sector and its impact on food safety, the authority had come out with a new set of packaging regulations, which was enforced from July 2019. And this particular new regulation prescribes general and specific requirements for different packaging materials, aiming to ensure the safety of prepackaged articles of food. And I would like to take you through the highlights of this particular regulation. It defines a food grade packaging material. It prescribes specific requirements for primary food packaging materials such as paper and paperboard, glass containers, metal and metal alloys, plastics, which are intended to come in contact with the food products. It specifies that these specific packaging materials shall comply with the Indian standards that are listed in the Schedule 1, 2, and 3 of these regulations, so as not to alter the quality and the food safety of the product. And this particular regulation restricts the use of newspaper and recycled plastics for packaging, storing, and wrapping, etc. It also specifies conformance to the application of printing inks on food packages. It sets overall and specific migration limits for chemicals and heavy metals that may migrate from the food packaging materials. It mandates that every food business operator obtain a certificate of conformity issued by an NABL accredited laboratory against these regulations for the packaging materials that will be used along with food. And finally, it provides a detailed list of suggestive packaging materials which can be used for the packaging of specific product categories of food. And this is a brief about the FSSAI's packaging regulation. And coming to addressing sustainability and innovation in this area, FSSAI is planning to review the existing packaging regulations which were notified in 2019 to accommodate sustainable and environmental friendly packaging materials. So in that front, we have issued a few directions to the food business operators, wherein we have allowed the use of other food grade packaging materials apart from the existing packaging materials for packaged drinking water and mineral water. And we have allowed the use of liquid nitrogen dosing in packaging of drinking water, as this would facilitate the use of bottles with lower thickness. And we have allowed bamboo as a food contact material now. We have allowed the use of paper sealed reusable glass bottles for serving drinking water within hotel premises, where we can cut down the use of plastic drinking water bottles. And apart from this, we have constituted a new scientific panel with experts who will be working in the subject, and they'll be working together on the development of standards and packaging regulations. Apart from this, the authority has also formed a network of R&D institutions in the country, named under the Network of Scientific Cooperation for Food Safety and Applied Nutrition. Under this network, we have got 7 to 8 groups of different subject, and in the subject of packaging, we have got the Indian Institute of Packaging, Mumbai, with a few other institutions, R&D institutions in the country, dealing or working in the subject together. So they'll be working with FSSAI for the development of standards, and this particular group will be performing research studies, market surveys, risk assessment studies, safety studies, and they'll be giving knowledge to the FSSAI in the field of packaging for the development of standards and regulations. And apart from this, we have been continuously working. As of now, we have been working on the sustainable packaging materials. We are trying to work on the biodegradable and biodegradable plastic materials, and also, we are working to accommodate such sort of materials, and we are working on the regulatory part of such materials. And apart from that, we have been working on the planning to work with the recycled rPET, that is recycled PET, allowing the recycled PET in food packaging. So this is how we are working with the packaging regulations. And to conclude, the FSSAI is actively working towards safer and sustainable food packaging. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir,
Yeah, thank you.
for letting us know the FSSI's initiatives. So with this, we are through with this session. We have 2-3 more sessions to go. In the meantime, I would like all the audience to, please network in the lounge option, and you can see the agenda and the schedule in the handout section. There is a booth section. If you see on the left hand side of your screen, you can network with the exhibitors who are there. So from Orbit, on the behalf of Orbit Exhibitions, we would like to thank all the exhibitors, all our supporting partners, all our media partners. So this is the first one, the first show of this series, Virtual Food Show. The premier exhibition on food processing, technology, and distribution. I hope you're enjoying the sessions which have been done so far. And most of the questions are being answered by the panelists, the speakers. So next session would be starting in the next 5 minutes. Thank you.